Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to quickly show everyone on how to convert plane or Cartesian coordinates, Eastings, Northings to the WGS longitude and latitude format. So these are the original sets of survey data observed or exported. So this here are the original exported survey data observed on site. However, I want to integrate this set of data into other GIS packages, so there is a need for me to convert to the WGS longitude and latitude for that particular purpose. So for you to convert this set of plane, Eastings, Northings coordinates format to the WGS 84 longitude and latitude, you'll be making use of the Francine coordinates trans. So you can open this software. So it's a very easy to use applications. So the Francine application will be used in the course of this video. So I'm just going to delete this. So I don't need that. So the only thing I need is just the raw data. So when you have your raw field data in Eastings and Northings format, the plane system, you will come to File, click on Save As, define the folder where you want to save your survey data. So I have here survey data. Then your save as type, make sure it is CSV comma delimited. So this is a readable format by the Francine application. So you save as CSV comma delimited, then you click on save. So after saving your data, you note the arrangement. It is the ID or the description, the Eastings, the Northings. Then you close the Excel worksheet. Then when you launch into your Francine coordinate trans, you click on From File. You click on this first option, Convert Coordinate from CSV file. Then you click on Start Wizard. It will ask you to input the CSV file. So you click on, you can read all this information, but there's no need, except you just want to have a better understanding of what we are doing. So the video covers the whole procedures. So you click on Next here. Then you click on Browse to go and select the Excel survey data you have. So here it is in my case. So you select your Excel data, then you click on Open. It is going to appear here. Alright, so after it appears, you click on Next. Then the field operator, click on this drop down. In case you are saying something else, make sure it is comma. Alright, then you click on Next. So here, this is the original coordinate system that your survey data was observed on and exported on. So we have it in the Eastings, Northings. Alright, in case yours is on longitude and latitude, you make sure you click on Eastings, Northings. That is the format that we are actually importing into the Francine application to be converted to the WGS 84 longitude latitude. So you check Eastings, Northings here, click on this drop down. In case yours is showing decimal comma, click on decimal dots. Then you click on Next. So here it is going to give you a preview of how your data was arranged on Excel. So it is confirmed ID XY. Then you click on Next. So here make sure your Easting field tally with the X field, your Northings field tally with the Y field. So after you confirm this, you click on Next. So here at this stage, you need to select the projection system that your raw survey data was observed on. So my raw survey data on Excel I displayed earlier was observed on the Nigerian Midbelt. So in case you can't see the Nigerian Midbelt or any of your own choice of reference system that your survey data was observed on, you click on Select Grid. So you may not be seeing all these options. You will only see the options for the Earth and these other three options. Click on this plus icon beside the Earth. You may see other continents here. You click on Africa if your survey data falls within Africa or any other country of interest. However, my data is within Africa. Then I'm going to scroll down to Nigeria. So you click on Nigeria, then this grid or projection system is going to be displayed. So my data was on Nigeria mid-belt MENA, so you select that particular projection system. However, if yours is on the WGS84 UTM, maybe zone 32, you select that. Whatsoever projection system that your raw data was observed on, you select it here. So I'm just going to stick with my own raw data reference system. So Nigeria mid-belt, then you click on OK. It will appear here, then you click on next. So definitely the unit is on meters. In case you have something else, you can choose the units of your measurement, but I will stick with meters. Then next, you click on next. Then here at this stage, this is where you rename the file, the output results. So you click on save as. Then it's going to launch you to the folder, any default folder. Then you define the folder where you want your output file to be saved. So you will see this file, the default file name coming out as survey data, or whatsoever you have named it, _out. Alright, so you just leave it. Then you come after the out, put the extension dot small letter CSV. So that is the Excel format. Alright, but if you want it to be on notepad format, you use .txt. However, I will stick with the .csv, which is the Excel format. So after you rename this, make sure it is saved this way. Alright, then you click on save. Then you see it rename as what you have saved it as. Then you click on next. Then here automatically it's going to define the output coordinate type, which is longitude and latitude. However, if you need the Cartesian Eastings and Northings, you check this, but make sure it is on longitude and latitude, as that is the aim of this video. Then this format here, you can click on this drop down arrow. In case yours is not on decimal degrees dot, you check on that. Then after you confirm all this, you click on next. Automatically it is going to define or set your output data on the datum WGS84. But if you want it on WGS72, you can click on select datum and you will see the options for that. But let's stick with the WGS84. After you confirm this, you click on next, then you click on next, and you are going to see conversion completed. So all of your survey data will be converted from the Cartesian Eastings Northings to the WGS longitude and latitude. Therefore, you now click on OK. Then you can click on finish. So you can minimize this and go to the folder where you have your output data. So I have it as survey data out. So I'll just scroll down and all right, here it is, survey data _out. So I'm going to open that and automatically you can see it here. So the beauty of this application that does this conversion is it's going to relatively convert each point with each other. So you can see point 1, the Cartesian Eastings Northings and its relative longitude latitude in WGS84 down to the very last of the data set. So now this is where you are now going to cut and separate the WGS latitude and longitude separated from the Cartesian Eastings Northings. So you separate that, and that is how to convert coordinates from the Cartesian to the WGS longitude and latitude easily. Then you can integrate it to maybe Google Earth Pro or other GIS packages. In case you are just a first timer on this channel, you can check the description of this video to see how to import survey data into Google Earth Pro directly. If you find this video helpful and informative, do well to hit on the subscribe icon as well as turn on the notification on this channel to keep getting valuable tutorial freely. Thank you. See you in the next video.